Hello and welcome. It's the Glam Philosopher. Fashion versus confidence. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who is gonna win? Actually, I don't think that fashion and confidence can ever be on two different sides of an argument. I think that fashion is a shape or a form which embodies a lot of different elements. Example, sustainability. Example, business. Example, creative arts. Example, emotion. There are so many sides to fashion. There is so much that exists in fashion but isn't explored to its full potential. One of them is a feeling or an emotion which is felt because of fashion. Fashion being the cause and the feeling being the effect of that cause. So technically, confidence is the effect of fashion as the cause. If we are talking about confidence through fashion in our perspective, obviously there are many ways and means to feel confident. Fashion is just one of them. So, can there really be a way where fashion acts like an additive tool to help you feel confident? The answer is absolutely. Fashion, in my opinion, is a tool, however expensive you want it to be. It is a tool which is used for self expression, for escapism, for telling a narrative, and so much more. Fashion can be a tool for absolutely anything you want, even confidence or even insecurity if you're up to feel that, which to be honest is such an interesting concept to me somehow. Imagine someone dressing up to feel insecure. Anyway, back to focus. When we use fashion as a tool and look at fashion only as something which is going to help us for whatever we want, it removes the power of the pedestal that we've given to fashion. You can replay that line however many times you want, because as a fashion student, let me tell you, the fashion industry runs on feelings and emotions more than you can think. It also runs on relationships, genuine care, and a lot of hard work, but that's a topic for another discussion. The main thing I wanted to share is that fashion runs on feelings and emotions, be it in terms of making the garment through the process of design, having the specific garment reach to you in a way which speaks to you, and then the wearing of garment to portray an emotion. And I think it's the last part where people usually end up confused or can't see a way or don't even know if there is a way, and that's where TGP comes into place, to show you that there is a way for you to feel confident via fashion. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. I had previously done a video on how you can feel confident to wear anything you want. It will be linked in the right top corner and in the description box as well. If you're someone who wants to amp up your confidence via fashion, then that video is for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Well wishes until then. Bye.